It's no surprise when students find a week-old slice of pizza under their bed or even a pair of socks that have been worn one too many times. But Mike Taylor of Portsmouth University made a rather more important discovery when visiting the National History Museum. He discovered a previously unknown dinosaur species while doing research for his PhD.
I was down in the sub-basement here at the museum where the sauropod material is collected, and I was looking for a couple of bones that are published way back in the 19th century. And as I was going through those cabinets, I found what is now the type specimen of this new dinosaur. It was found near Hastings, we know from what's been published back in 1893. Now, the rocks from there are from right at the beginning of the Cretaceous, which comes immediately after the Jurassic. That makes it about 140 million years old.
The bone Mike identified is a dorsal vertebra, which is part of the backbone from a dinosaur called a sauropod. It would have been a herbivore. The largest of the species were as big as a whale and weighed up to 70 tons, the equivalent of 12 elephants. The bone was originally dug up in Sussex in the early 1890s. It was given a brief review, but then left untouched in the Natural History Museum for the next 113 years. The find is particularly significant because it may represent a whole new family of dinosaurs.
Well, the exciting thing about the new dinosaur is not just that it's a new species or even that it's a new genus, but as far as we can tell, it may represent the first known example of a new group, a whole new group of sauropod dinosaurs. And it seems to be as different from the ones that we already know about as, for example, bears are from cats and dogs.
The new sauropod has been named Xenoposeidon, which roughly translates as alien sauropod. Mike's discovery appears in this month's issue of the British Paleontology Journal. Not bad for a student still studying for his PhD.